Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vechi Uto, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be sharing with you top Nigerian street food. In fact, I feel that the Nigerian experience is not complete if you've not had one of these street foods. So Nigeria is blessed with some of these street foods I'll be mentioning. Let me also know in the comment section which of the street foods you've had and your experience. The first on my list is suya. So there are so many varieties of suya. We have ram suya, we have chicken suya, we have beef suya, different varieties of suya. Suya is a grilled spicy meat, usually put sometimes in skewers. It's seasoned with a lot of special spices. In fact, the spices add to the flavor basically of suya. Okay, let me know in the comment section what is your best kind of suya. Is it beef, is it chicken, or ram suya? Suya is not just a snack, it is in fact it has a burst of flavors. Like if you're in Nigeria or if you visit Nigeria and you've not tried suya, please just go to a suya stand and have a taste of it. Okay, it's grilled and it has a burst of flavors. Nigeria is really blessed with a lot of suya vendors. Lagos, Abuja, anywhere you are, you must definitely see a suya vendor. So just try out the street food and let me know in the comment section what you think about suya. And if you love to eat suya, also let me know the kind of suya you love to eat. The next street food is puff puff. Like if you're actually in Nigeria or you visit Nigeria and you have not had puff puff, in fact you've not visited Nigeria, just go to anywhere they sell puff puff and try out this street food. Okay, puff puff is basically a fried dough snack, and you can find it in a lot of occasions, right? It's also a part of the small chops family. It's actually a street food that stands on its own, and whenever they're frying puff puff around, you just know they're really frying puff puff. So that's one of Nigerian street foods you should try out. Puff puff has a sweet aroma and also a soft texture that makes it always loved in different occasions. People actually look out for puff puff in occasions, and it's significant because it's one of Nigerian street foods. So let me know if you love to eat puff puff and how you love to eat it. People eat it in different ways, accompanied by other small chops or finger foods, okay? Or you can eat it alone with sauce. Let me know how you eat yours. But this is one Nigerian food you should try out. So if you're planning to come into Nigeria anytime soon, Christmas is coming, remember to try out one of the street foods and let me know in the comment section what you think about them. The next street food I would want to talk about is Aara. Like, Aara is bean cake actually made from beans and fried. Okay, so most Aara is so popular in Nigeria, like you can't even really say the first time it was made because it's way back from culture. Aara have been saving lives since like 1900. So there are so many ways you could eat or have your Aara. Either you want to have it with bread, and it's called A and B, popularly known in Nigeria, Aara and bread, okay? And then you can have it anywhere you want it. Some love to take it with pap, some love to take it with cocoa oats, but it is one street food that I know would never like go into extinction. It has come to stay, and that's it. So let me know if you love to eat Aara, and let me know how you love to eat yours. For me, I love to eat it with cocoa oats, or I love to drink it with pap. I also love to eat Aara with bread, and it's really one street food you should try out whenever you visit Nigeria. Another street food you should try out is bole. I feel that if you actually want to have this Nigerian experience, no, you need to try out bole and fish. I know that Port Harcourt, they pride themselves in having one of the best, if not the best, bole and fish like in Nigeria. But there are other people too that try. I've tried out, I lived in Port Harcourt for several years, over 8 years. So I can really say that yes, their bole and fish is nice so far, comparing to maybe other states I've visited or other parts of Nigeria that I've visited. I would want to say truly, Port Harcourt bole and fish is nice. And I see some videos where, you know, some Nigerian content creators, they are like, if you Port Harcourt and you've not tried out their bole and fish, like it's just like you're joking. So let me know in the comment section, have you tried out this street food bole and fish? How do you love to eat yours? Some people also eat theirs. Their bole is basically roasted plantain, yam, basically. So before I keep talking, some people may not even know what bole is. Roasted plantain, roasted yam, roasted sweet potato, and it comes with this pepper sauce that is really nice, and it can be accompanied by any kind of protein, usually popularly made with fish, but you can have it with any protein of your choice. You can have it with chicken, you can have it with snails, anything you want. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried bole and fish, Nigerian bole and fish, and tell me what your experience was like. Another street food you should try out is coconut and corn. Okay, so there are different ways you can have your corn, whether roasted or boiled. It's another Nigerian street food that you can see everywhere. Like you see, in fact, on different streets, you see people roasting corn and, you know, coconut, and, you know, accompanied with coconut or pear. This is another street food I also love to eat. Let me know if you've eaten this before. If you're just visiting Nigeria, I think you would want to try out this street food. It's actually nice and it can be filling. Okay, try out Nigerian roasted corn or Nigerian boiled corn, and usually accompanied with pear or coconut. Another Nigerian street food is shawarma. Yes, it's not of Nigerian origin, but it has found its way into Nigerian streets. Okay, so you see a lot of shawarma spots like here in Nigeria. I can remember when I visited Israel and I tried out their shawarma. Like, it can never be like Nigerian shawarma. Okay, so in fact I ended up not eating it because it was just a load of vegetables, basically vegetables. I'm like, who sent me on this one? So that Nigerian shawarma, you know, Nigerians, we have a way of curating our own experience, you know, formulating our own recipes, and it's always unique in taste, and you will never really compare, you know, that Nigeria. If you've had Nigerian shawarma and probably you travel out, you still yearn to eat our Nigerian shawarma. So this is one street food you should actually try out. Another street food you should try out is Masa or Masa, usually served in northern Nigeria. Okay, I've not had this particular street food before, but it's made from fermented rice. Masa or Masa, I've not tried it before, but this is another Nigerian street food, so mostly made in northern Nigeria. Another Nigerian street food is indomie and egg. How can I forget? It's school days. In fact, then in school, it's usually made by Hausa people. They call it mishai. Okay, so they call the people that make it mishai. But I just know, that when you want to eat all those maybe bread and egg, you just say I want to go to mishai. So either they'll make the indomie and you eat it with the egg. Some people even go ahead to, at the mishai spots, they even make tea, they serve pap, all those things. So this is a street food also that you should try. Indomie and egg, bread and egg, just at the mishai spot. I attended Federal University of Technology Owerri, and that was what we used to call it, mishai, right? So let me know in the comment section. Another street food Nigeria, it's so popular, is Gala and lakasera. In fact, Gala have been saving lives like since I know, in fact since I knew my name, like Gala have been saving lives. So I'm not sure there's any Nigerian that has not eaten Gala one time in their lives. So Gala or any drink, in fact this is like so if you're watching me from outside Nigeria, Gala is just like sausage roll. In fact, it's sausage roll, but it's packaged and it's sold on the streets of Nigeria. You can have it with water, you can have it with drink, soda drink, or any drink of your choice. So basically, this is another street food. Let me know if you enjoy Gala, if you still eat Gala, if you love to eat Gala, and let me know how you take yours. Do you eat it with Coke, or you take it with water, or you just eat it? Let me know in the comment section. As I conclude, I have shared a lot of Nigerian street foods, and if you're visiting Nigeria for the first time, I would want you to really try out these street foods, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it. Nigeria is really blessed with this amazing street food. Okay, please, I would want to really hear from you. Did you enjoy this video? Also, let me know in the comment section. If you'd want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Let's keep the Nigerian spirit alive, one street food at a time. Until we see next time, happy eating. Thank you for watching.